Before the sun has a chance to crest the horizon, Dan Amorello and his crew have already begun preparation for a milling and repaving job at UMass Memorial in Worcester, Massachusetts. The lot has been cleared of all non-permanent structures, including parking attendant booths, as well as concrete barriers. The pulverizing machines ready themselves for the first of many passes of this 12,000 square yard lot. This worker performs a preliminary sweep of the parking lot with a metal detector before the pulverization process begins. This precautionary step ensures that any metal, such as old piping conduit or other buried structures, have been accounted for. Any questionable area that metal is detected is then marked, and in this case, investigated by the use of a jackhammer. Once the area is excavated of the metal, it is swept again by the metal detector before the pulverization of that area is allowed. Asphalt pulverization is the process of combining existing asphalt with the underlying soil to create a high-quality aggregate base. Commonly referred to as full-depth reclamation, pulverizing is the process of in-place recycling, which not only greatly reduces the expenses associated with asphalt removal, but also eliminates the costly importing of granular fill. Other benefits of in-place recycling include the correction of pavement profile, faster project completion, while helping conserve natural resources. This Terex reclaimer utilizes a hydraulically driven 8-foot wide cutting wheel to chew through up to 16 inches of material at speeds up to 200 revolutions per minute. Equipped with 218 tungsten carbide teeth, pavement doesn't stand a chance. On any work site, there exist some areas that the pulverizers cannot get to due to their size and bulk. These areas may include around light posts, corners, edging, and obstructed or tight sections. For these areas, workers rely heavily on skid steers to aid them in breaking up and removing the asphalt. This material, both large asphalt chunks and millings, are then deposited into trucks and hauled off to various reclamation sites within the state. It is at these reclamation sites that the material is crushed and resold for other repaving uses. All excess material is recycled and reused. Skid steers prove time and time again to be a valued member of the paving and milling team. These machines are versatile and reliable, saving innumerable man-hours and countless labor-induced backaches. But it's their unique maneuverability that makes the skid steer stand out above the rest of construction equipment. Its four-wheel drive, left and right drive wheel independence allows pirouette turning, a zero-radius pivoting movement that allows it to change direction on the same place without moving any distance in forward or reverse direction. This working cold milling machine is not only capable of pulverizing asphalt, but is also equipped with an inclined conveyor which, if needed, can easily discharge milled material for off-site removal. This machine requires two operators. The first operator, atop the machine, handles the steering as well as controlling the conveyor. The second operator, on the ground, has the duties of controlling the depth of the cut, as well as monitoring the surrounding area for unseen obstructions that the top operator may not be able to see. Due to its hydraulic all-track steering system, the Workin's maneuverability provides precise cornering around existing structures and obstacles, making this machine invaluable on any work site. Both machines produce the same end result, a recycled high-quality soil aggregate that is now ready for the grading process. when large enough sections of the parking lot have been pulverized, the treatment of grading the aggregate subbase can begin. Because any paved surface is only as good as its configured grade, the responsibility of the grading process is a vital aspect to the successfulness of any paving project. The most important factor in this process lies in correcting the surface slope to provide proper drainage. Surface grading is responsible for removing swells, bumps, or depressions that, if uncorrected, could result in bulges or hollows in the finished asphalt. These bulges and hollows could very well lead to small to severe surface cracks and the pooling of water if not properly addressed at this stage. Therefore, the grading operator's duty is indeed a significant one. He must properly configure the drainage patterns of the lot surface so that all areas slope to their designated catch basins to ensure precise drainage. Once the surface has been graded, the aggregate subbase is compacted utilizing a variety of machinery, ranging from this handheld vibrating plate compactor to this 10-ton vibratory roller. The compaction of soil is required for various reasons, including increasing the load-bearing capacity, preventing frost damage, reducing soil settlement, providing stability, as well as reducing water seepage, swelling, and contraction. We turn to this 10-ton roller that not only makes use of its static weight in compressing upper layer soil particles, but also utilizes a vibratory mechanism to create a downward force capable of penetrating deeper soil layers. For close-knit areas such as around light posts, manholes, and edging, a hand-operated vibrating plate compactor is used. These vibrations set particles in motion through the subbase and condense them, creating a high-density surface that is now ready for the first application of asphalt.